So once again we made crazy money, and I will tell you how you also can make money together with me, so stick into this video, don't go out. So as you can see over there now, we made the amount of, I think it's 8 trades, but let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, actually 7 trades, just one loser. We made $376, and do you know what? You could have joined it live and trade together with me. So below the video you'll find a link if you want to trade live together with me. But not only that, if you don't want to sit live and trade together with me, you have one more option. I have now started to give signals here at Reddit. So I will leave a link to my new group here. We are now 70 members, just 4 online right now. You can see here now, we had a live trading here. Live trading binary. I should have written binary option, but I was rushing it. This is the day today. We can go in here. You can see I have 23 comments. It's all me, of course. So how it is, here you can see, looks like this, and it's very easy to follow. Each and every different type of signals have their own comments, okay? So you can go into and you can follow, like here you can see, for example, this one of trading, deep in money, let's trade more. Because when a line is not broken, the lines that can look like this, see here, when I put, then we're trading, I give the information that we are buying here, right? So when you come down to this line here, we buy, you see here, we come down here again, we buy, and we just keep it going till we lose, or he go away. So here, in the end, we got our first loss. That was the one loss we got in this live session. And you can see here, let's approve this one, because sometimes when I put these links, I need to approve it. So here, you can just go down, scroll down. Here also, you can see we're trading. We stop trading on this pair. Now, you see, I give always the information. It's very easy to follow. So each and every different type of trades, I make a different comments on that trade while we're trading on it. So how cool is that? So make sure you join me here in Reddit also. I am planning to do trading for this broker. I'm planning to do for pocket option. I am planning also to do Forex and cryptocurrency trading. All for free. You can just join in and follow and copy what I'm doing. I have been doing this for years. I've been live in YouTube for 5 years, and I've been trading. Well, I have no idea how when I started, but it's forever. So if you want to trade Forex, binary option, cryptocurrency together with me, first join me in Reddit. You get all the information there. I will make a link for this now. I have not invited so many people to now, as you see, with just 70 members, but still, it's cool. Join us, make one together with us. I hope I see you either here in Reddit. You can comment on everything I'm doing, and you can also join me in the live if you want to learn from me, ask me questions while I'm trading. All is up to you. But don't lose this opportunity. Don't lose this opportunity to learn from one that's actually making money, one that is actually showing what he's doing every single day. Well, you don't find anyone like that. So join me now and let's make some money together.